Hi, it's Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we have this PVC design. It's a yurt setup, and we're going to be showing you different ways, such as using the slip T in the internal fish mouth to support the bottom section of the yurt design. The benefit with the slip T is you don't have to cut the pipe to place it anywhere you would like. We have one on that side as well. We'll take a PVC pipe, and these can connect straight across, as we'll show. The next fitting we're going to go over is the internal fish mouth. If you come over here, we can show where we took a screw and we placed it through the hole of the fish mouth. Place this anywhere you want, put that screw through, and you put your pipe on top right here. All right, we have a 42.5-inch section of PVC pipe here. Go ahead and fully seat it in one. Come over to here, slide it up, place it in. Then you're gonna find where you want that, kind of work it up. After you find where you want it, make sure it's level. You can take a self-tapping screw and lock it in on the back side, tying into the main pole here. We'll go across, so we measured from the bottom, and it was 29 3/4. So we made a mark, we pre-drilled it, and then we set our fish mouth just like that. Take your pipe, lock it in. All good. All right, we just finished putting our plastic on with the snap clamp. It's easy to put on and take off. This is just a piece of plastic we had laying around. You can use a tarp, you can use boat vinyl, whatever you want to use. The snap clamp is the easy way. You don't have to have grommets to hold it down. It snaps on and comes right off. Let's talk about some ideas how we can make this design even stronger. If you'd like to, you can take some rebar, drive it into the ground, and then place the PVC pipe over the rebar. That allows it to have a firm base on every single pipe coming down. Next thing you could also do, if you'd like this firewood to be a little more protected, if you have snow, heavy winds, is to take those snap clamps, snap them on, and wrap the whole design here. All right, let's go over how we built this design. Right here we have the 4-way adjustable, 1 1/4 inch. Also 1 1/4 inch, we have the 2-way. Just cocked in, these tighten by twisting them, and you can make any angle you'd like. Coming underneath here, we have the 6-way dome hub. It's going to allow you to have that nice, slightly tilted roof effect. You also have the couplings here on every single outlet. Now I'm just going to move through this video showing the parts you will need real quick. If you want to watch this video and how it was built step by step, go to our video. It's going to be listed in the description below, as well as a full parts list.
Well, you gotta go faster, Lamb. Come on.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and to purchase any of our products, go to www.circoinnovations.com.